tikim mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, ngulit ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupit, di ka pasisi, sa lahat ng sisino, sa langit mong bukhang, may tinanong tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang ang watawang way kami, ay nanagdidinig, ang ituwid ng araw niya, kailan pa may di mapidilig, lupa ng araw ng mat, ating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo, ang iligaya ng pag, may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now be seated. Again, we welcome you to the opening ceremony of Strasuk Olympics 2019 with this year's theme, Strengthening Fellowship and Alliance Through Sports. It is a pleasure once again for Romblon State University to host Strasuk Olympics, and we welcome you to the marble capital of the country, the province of Romblon, and you are in the municipality of vibrant Ojongan, your heart, your home, your future. And to formally welcome us all here today, put your hands together for the Municipal Mayor of Ojongan, Honorable Trina Alejandro Q. Fermalo Fabi.
Sa ating mga bisita, to our Governor, Jose Otepriano, and to all provincial officials, to Vice Mayor David Di Maala and all municipal officials, to all barangay officials, to our CHED Regional Director, Attorney Joselito Aliswag, to our National President of PASOK and President of Batangas State University, Dr. Tirso Roquillo, to all colleges and university presidents, sports directors, coaches, and officials, sa lahat po ng mga atleta mula po sa iba't ibang mga universities and colleges across Southern Tagalog, at sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ngayong hapon, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Or as we say here, maadong hapon po sa inyong tanan, agmasadyang pag-abot sa Banwait Ojongan. We are very happy to welcome you here as host municipality. It is our honor and our pride and privilege to welcome you to our town. We hope that you will enjoy your stay here and that it will be a comfortable stay. We would like to especially recognize our regional chairperson for 2019 Strasuk at ang punong abala po, ang presidente, ang gwapong presidente ng Romblon State University, Dr. Arnulfo Pong de Luna, and all the members of RSU who have been really helping to prepare. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng volunteers, lahat po ng kawani, lahat po ng tumulong para maging maayos ang ating Strasuk Olympics ngayong taon. To the athletes, alam niyo po ba na ang unang palaro o unang paligsahan 6 BC sa Olympia, Greece? It was the first nagpapaligsahan ng palakasan. Dahil sa mga athletic competitions na katulad nito, mas napapakita natin ang angking kalakasan natin, ang ating kagalingan, mga regalo mula sa ating Panginoon. It is also a time for us to forge friendships, to learn more about ourselves as people and as competitors and as sports people. Sa mga atleta, ito ang gusto kong ipabot sa inyo. Alam niyo ba kung sino ang nanalo, kung sino ang nag-champion sa kauna-unahang Olympics 3,000 years ago? Siya po ay isang cook, gumagawa ng tinapay. Yun ang kagandahan po ng sports. Ito ay isang bagay na pwedeng ipakita ang pantay na antas ng buhay. Talents and the discipline, we can excel no matter what our station or background in life. And that is the beauty of sports. So I wish you all luck. Good luck to all the contingents. And I hope that you welcome your stay and you find your stay to be a comfortable and happy one. And I hope you will not forget us at balik-balik lang po kayo dito sa aming mahal na bayan ng Ojongan. Good luck po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po ang Southern Tagalog Regional Association.
Thank you very much, Mayor China of Ojongan.
Session siya ngayon sa Congress dahil deliberation po ng budget. We have Espidion Bernardo, Attorney Abner Perez, Attorney Alibag, our Director Commission on Higher Education, sa ating local government unit of Ojongan, headed by our beloved Mayor Trina Fermalo Favic, and Vice Mayor Divindi Maala, sa lahat ng mga SB members. Siyempre po, hindi natin kalilimutan na i-acknowledge ng ating mga presidente ng Southern Tagalog Regional Athletic, State University and Colleges. We have Batangas State University, Dr. Terso A. Ronquillo. Palakpakan po natin. Cavite State University, Dr. Hernando De Robles. Laguna State Polytechnic University, Dr. Mario Briones. Marinduque State College, Dr. Miriam C. Mani. Mindoro State College of Agriculture and Technology, Dr. Libby B. Arago Jr. Occidental Mindoro State College, Dr. Marilyn J. Nielo. Palawan State University, Dr. Ramon, Dr. Ito ba? Dr. Ramon M. Docto. Lahat na lang ng Dr. Doc nandito na sa'yo. Anyway, Southern Luzon State University, Dr. Ducasi B. Solita Nantes. University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Dr. Fernando C. Sanchez Jr. University of Rizal System, Dr. Marita R. Canapi. Western Philippine University, Dr. Elsa B. Manarpaa. Ayan, ma'am. Siyempre po, yung ating host, ating beloved President ng Romblon State University, Dr. Arnolfo F. De Luna. Palakpakan po natin ng malakas. At mukhang hindi na natutulog habang papalapit yung ating estraso. At siyempre po, sa lahat po ng delegates and official from the all state universities and colleges of Estraso officials, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay masaya sa hapong ito dahil talagang alam ko rin na excited kayo sa hapong ito. Masasabi nating makasaysayan itong palarong ito at maraming salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin at siyempre po, nandito po ang inyong lingkod para sa suportahan ang Estrasok competition ngayong 2019. The province of Romblon welcome the hosting of the 20th Southern Tagalog Association of State Colleges and Universities Regional Sport Meets. This will certainly strengthen the camaraderie, cooperation, and sportsmanship of Region 4 state universities and colleges as you engage in friendly athletic competition. Sport is not only about curricular activities or extracurricular activities. It is actually an integral part of what you do in your daily lives. As students or athletes, it helps you to be physically and mentally fit and healthy. Sports also builds the spirit of team cooperation and molds your leadership and skills. To me, the most important lesson I learned from the sport as a basketball player, pero hindi naman tayo professional basketball player, is that it helped me to understand and welcome both failure and success. Was it Nero who once said, play the game with the spirit of the game? When we play in any sport, we face the possibility of either winning or losing. And in life, we can also either fail or succeed in our goals or aspiration. The sportsman's spirit teaches us to have the fortitude to accept one's success with humility and one's failure in gratitude. We should always remember to make efforts to cultivate a sportsman's spirit and go through life always ready to face whatever comes our way. And it is the role of parents and teachers of our students and athletes who should teach by example the values of discipline, perseverance, and team play to prepare our children to face life adversities. I believe that activities such as this regional sport event of our Region 4 state colleges and universities is the best training ground for our youth to learn not only to persevere in achieving academic excellence, but also to compete skillfully and within the bounds of fair play in the field of athletics. One Romblon, one Philippines. May we always remain united. God bless us all.
And we just heard our beloved Governor, Honorable Jose Otic Arellano. At this point, we shall hear another message, and we are very fortunate to have him with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, our National President of Philippine Associations of State Universities and Colleges, let us all give him a round of applause, Dr. Tirso A. Ronquillo.
Our beloved Governor Jose Otic Arellano, the beautiful Mayor Rina Fermalo Fabic, ma'am, all the university presidents in Calabarzon and Mimaropa, headed of course by our chair, my chair, President Arnulfo de Luna, the Regional Director of the Commission on Higher Education of Mimaropa, our friend, Attorney Aliswag, all the Sports Director of Straso, headed by our very own Dr. Francis Aguirre, all the athletes from Calabarzon and Mimaropa, all of us, the local government officials, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First, we are here to thank everyone. This is a celebration of life. First, to the host, university president, and to the great men and women of the Romblon State University for hosting this year's Strasov Olympics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. It's not that easy to host event like this. For sure, you've spent many sleepless nights for you to ensure the success of this activity. I salute you for successfully hosting this year's Strasov Olympics. Thank you very much. And of course, to the support of the local LGU, to beloved Governor and beloved Mayor and the entire Sangguniang of Panlalawigan and Panglungsod. Sa inyo pong lahat, marami pong salamat sa inyong pag-host sa amin at paggarantiya ng aming kaligtasan habang kami ay nasa inyong lugar. Maraming salamat po. Ganon din sa aming mga kasamang Pangulo ng State University sa Calabarzon and Mimaropa. I personally thank you for supporting these activities, sports activities of our region. Of course, kung hindi dahil po sa inyo, hindi magiging successful ang lahat ng ating activity sa ating reyon. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga SOC presidents. Pinapasalamatan din po natin ang lahat ng ating mga sports director ng iba't ibang state university sa pangunguna ng ating Pangulo ng SCUASTI, Dr. Francis Aguirre. To all of you, alam namin, you coordinated a lot of things. You supervise and monitor a lot of things to ensure the success of this year's Strasov Olympics. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ganoon din sa lahat ng ating mga atleta na naabot ng tinig na ito, maraming salamat sa inyong pagpapakita ng disiplina upang kayo ngayon ay makarating sa lugar na ito at mag-represent ng inyong respective university. Inaasahan namin ang disiplina, determinasyon, of course, utmost is excellence because we will be representing our region in the next year's SCUA Olympics. The national SCUA slated around March of the coming year. The venue may be in Bicol or maybe in Clark, yet to be determined. I hope that we will be representing our region with flying colors. So we expect that you will be showing your best in this year's Strasov Olympics. Sa lahat po na hindi ko nabanggit, sa lahat ng sektor, sa lahat ng mga grupo, even mga kapulisan, lahat po ng mga volunteers, performers, not to mention, at sa lahat po ng mga individual na nagbigay ng kanilang tulong, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ganon din tayong lahat ay nagpapasalamat sa ating poong may kapal sa pagpapahintulot ng lahat ng bagay sa ating kapanahunan. Muli po, maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Strasov!
Thank you very much, Dr. Tirso A. Ronquillo, the PASOK National President. Now, at this juncture, a message and the introduction of the guest speaker by the President of Romblon State University and also the Regional Chairman of this year's Strasov. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Arnulfo Pregon de Luna.
Good afternoon to everyone. Naririnig po ba ako ng mga taga Batangas? We request everybody now to please come forward and occupy the concrete pavement just before I finish my message and introduce the guest speaker. Move now. Sa ating mga kasama sa Strasov, mga pangulo ng mga universidad, papasukin dito sa net. hanggang dito sa Cyclone Wire, papasukin. Sa ating mahal na Mayor Tina Permalo Pabic, sa ating mga sports director, sa ating mahal na gobernador at mga kasapi ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan, sa atin pong mga Sangguniang Bayan ng Odiongan na narito, sa lahat po ng mga opisyalis na mamamahala ng palarong ito, sa lahat po ng ating mga atleta. Ever since the inception of Strasuk, we have introduced a lot of changes. First of all, I would like to inform everybody that the operating expense of this activity is only 3 million with 12 participating delegations. 3 million po ito lahat. Kumpara sa malapit-lapit na rin sa 4 na milyon. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ginagawa po namin ito upang ang pondo ng bawat kasapi ng delegasyon ay mapunta sa mga atleta. Ang mga atleta na siyang nakikipagbasagan ng mukha, tumatakbo ng hindi alam saan papunta, ang mga atletang nagpapainit, ang mga atletang nadadapa. Mapapansin po natin ang pagbabagong ito. May mga delegasyon po, pare-pareho po ang sapatos ng Batangas State University. Sinundan po ito ng Capso. Sa susunod po ang Romblon State University. Nakapagpasalamat na rin po ang ating PASOK President sa lahat ng mga opisyales, sa lahat ng mga manlalaro, mga local government units. Hindi ko na po pakabain at inaasahan ko na ang Batanggenyo ay narito sa loob ng Cyclone Wire bago matapos ito. Hindi na rin siguro papasok. Hanggang dyan na lang siguro. Maaaring mayroon po kayong makikitang magaganda. Ibalita po ito natin. Kung meron po kayong nakikitang ikasasama ng Odiongan at ng Romblon State University, ipulsa na natin. Inaanyayahan po ang lahat, bawat gabi meron po tayong, of course, wala namang night market sa araw. Parati kong inuulit, ito lang po ang venue ng Strasuk Olympics where everybody could practically walk to reach the playing venue, go to the Jollibee, get money from the bank, eat outside, and without fear of being harmed, anytime, 24/7, 24 hours a day. Ang Odiongan po ay isa sa pinaka, ano ba yung vibrant sa Tagalog? Vibrant, pinaka masiglang ekonomiya sa buong Mimaropa. At simula siguro bukas, ang ibang walang laro ay inaanyayahan din namin na mamasyal. Yung lahat po ng mga van na narito, of course, hindi po libre yun, negosyo din yan, ay alam kung saan kayo pwedeng dalhin. Yung lahat po na gustong maligo sa beach, wala pong problema. Mga 1 kilometro po mula rito. Tumbukin lang po ninyo ang lahat ng kalsada na papunta doon. Huwag kayong pupunta doon. Wala na pong dagat dyan. And of course, ang populasyon po ng Odiongan na katulad ng nabanggit ko ng naon ng gabi, kami po ay nasa 300,000. 60% po noon ay narito sa tablas dahil meron po kaming 9 na bayan dito. Ang buong lalawigan po ay may 17 bayan at ang iba ay nasa mga isla na. Ang malas nga lang po, kukunti lang ang aming palayan, kaya meron kaming rice deficit of 6,000 kabans of rice annually. So, nag-iinganyo tayo ng mga negosyo sa mga kasama natin sa Mindoro na magpadala ng bigas dito. Ang amin lang pong may pagmamalaki, wala pong African swine fever. Patunay sa litson na inyong natikman kagabi, wala naman yatang na-hospital. Pero yung African swine fever daw, mga 1 taon ba epekto? Sa inyong lahat, welcome po sa Udyogan, at alam ko, marami na rin ang nakakaalam kung ano yung meron dito sa aming probinsya. Ang atin pong panauhing pandangal ay bagong halal na senador ng bayan at kilala sa tawag na malasakit. Siya po ay naging presidential assistant ng Pangulong Duterte at ang tawag ko sa kanya parati ay Sap Bongo. Ang tagal na po ng tawagan namin 2 araw at parating nalolobat ang cellphone hanggang kaninang umaga po ay nakatanggap ako ng kalatas mula sa kanyang staff na ang ini-endorso niya na kakatawan sa kanya ngayon ay walang iba po, ang ating mahal na gobernador, Jose Otek Riano.
Okay, maraming salamat Mr. Dr. Pong De Luna. Totoo po yung sabi ni Sir De Luna, dito po sa province of Romblon ay through sports. Sports may actually unite not just a nation, but the entire world, transcending cultural and political differences. In fact, did you know that during the World War I in Belgium, while the British and Germans were tending to their dead and wounded comrades during one Christmas night, the two rivals began to play football rather than kill each other, temporarily halting the violence of war. In 1972, did you know that the United States and China organized ping-pong matches, bridging their ideological differences and leading to the meeting of the two leaders of these countries, then United States President Richard Nixon and Chinese President Mao Zedong. This show how some of the most important diplomatic moments in history were facilitated by sport. This is how powerful sports can be if we only take advantage of its unifying force. President Rodrigo Duterte and I understand the transformative power of sports. It is for his reason that the President has vowed to take advantage of our country's sports program to keep the youth away from illegal drugs and engage them instead in more productive undertaking such as sports. Hindi lamang ito makabubuti sa inyong kalusugan, mabibigyan pa tayo ng oportunidad na makapagdala ng karangalan sa bansa. Malay nyo, balang araw, kayo na ang sasabak para itaas ang bandera ng ating bansa sa SEA Games na gaganapin sa Pilipinas ngayong taon. As your Kuya Bongo, it is my hope to use sports as an avenue for our aspiring athletes to bring pride and glory to their country. This is why I co-sponsored Senate Bill number 1086, a measure which will establish the Philippine High School for Sports or the PHSS. Kapag naisabatas na ang panukalang ito, mabibigyan na ng pagkakataon ang mga batang atleta na gaya ninyo na makapag-aral sa isang paaralan na hindi lamang lilinang sa inyo bilang mga estudyante, kundi mag-train din sa inyo bilang future Filipino athletes na magre-representa sa ating bayan sa mga international competitions. Rest assured that Kuya Bong will not rest until this proposed measure is passed into law. Ganyan ko kamahal ang mga atletang Pilipino. Again, I pledge my undying support to our athletes. Asahan ninyo na laging bukas ang aking opisina upang makinig sa inyo at may taguyod ang inyong kapakanan. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-imbita sa akin. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Let the games begin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much to our dear Governor. May we call on again Governor Jose Otecriano, and may we also call on the President of Romblon State University, Dr. Arnulfo de Luna, and the PASOK National President, Dr. Tirso A. Ronquillo, to award a plaque of appreciation to our guest speaker.
But let me read to you the content of our plaque. Southern Tagalog Regional Association of State Universities and Colleges Incorporated and Romblon State University award this plaque of appreciation to Senator Christopher Lawrence Bong Tesorogo for being the guest speaker of the 2019 Southern Tagalog Regional Association of State Universities and Colleges held on November 22 to 27, 2019 at the Romblon State University. Given this 22nd day of November 2019 at the Ajongan Sports Complex, Municipality of Ajongan, Province of Romblon. Signed, our University President here in Romblon State University, Dr. Arnulfo Fregon de Luna. Also, please receive this token of appreciation. Also, may we call on Attorney Joselito C. Aliswag, our CHED Regional Director, to receive the Certificate of Appreciation and Plaque of Appreciation. Romblon State University, Strasuk awards this plaque of appreciation to Attorney Joselito C. Aliswag, CHED 4B Director, for being guest at the 2019 Southern Tagalog Region Association of State Universities and Colleges held on November 22 to 27, 2019 at Romblon State University, given this 22nd day of November 2019 at Ajongan Sports Complex, Municipality of Ajongan, Province of Romblon, signed by our University President, Dr. Arnulfo F. de Luna.
May we also request the Mayor of the Municipality of Ajongan, Province of Romblon, Honorable Trina Alejandra Q. Formalo Fabic, to receive the same plaque of appreciation from Strasuk 2019, hosted by Romblon State University.
Another plaque of appreciation is given to Honorable Jose Arellano, our governor here in the province of Romblon.
And of course, the same plaque of appreciation is hereby awarded also to the Congress Honorable Leandro Jesus Madrona.
Thank you so much for gracing this event. And now we shall witness the raising of university and college banners to be led by our SUC presidents and their sports directors.
As our SUC presidents and sports directors are preparing for the raising of the university and college banners, just a backtrack for what happened in the STRASUC 2018. Our top 3 state universities and colleges and just held STRASUC 2018 hosted by LSTU. The first placer during that STRASUC is LSTU. Second place is Cavite State University, and the third placer is the University of Rizal System.
Also, we'd like to inform everyone that we already had our advanced games held at Batangas State University last November 6 to 8 for the combative sports, swimming and dance sports. Also, we shall witness the raising of our STRASUC banner.
This STRASUC banner is already raised. Now we are set to raise the 12 SUC banners of STRASUC 2019.
I hope our SUC presidents are ready to raise their banners,
as well as their sports directors.
We will raise your banners after 3. Okay, so I hope you're ready.
Yo, binabati ko nga pala si Yoji sa Portugal. Ako yun. Taga Marinduque po.
After 3, I think they're ready.
Ayan, magandang hapon po ulit mga kababayang Marinduqueño. Kasama po natin ang isang athlete mula po sa Laguna State Polytechnic University. Kuya, anong pangalan niyo po?
Razel po.
Si Kuya Russell po ay ano po ang event na inyong sinalihan?
Ang volleyball po.
Okay, volleyball. So, kamusta naman po ang biyahe ninyo dito sa bayan ng Ojongan?
Masaya naman po kahit nakakapagod. Malayo po pala to. And yeah.
Kamusta naman po ang paghahanda ng Laguna State Polytechnic University sa ginaganap ngayon na Strasuk 2019?
Syempre po, kung naghanda po silang lahat, mas naghanda po kami para manalo po at para depensahan yung dating kami po yung nag-overall. So, gagawin po namin lahat para mag-overall ulit.
Ayan, again, mga kababayang Marinduqueño, nakasama po natin, na-interview po natin ang isang atleta mula sa Laguna State Polytechnic University at sila po ang 2018 overall champion ng STRASUC o Southern Tagalog Regional Association of State Universities and Colleges. Any message po sa ating mga kapwa-atleta?
Kung nahihirapan po kayo sa training, part po yan ng pagiging atleta. Meron at the end of the day po, may magandang result pa rin po yung paghihirap nyo. And yes, sa lahat po ng taga Laguna, hello po. At sa lahat po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko, Burdagul po. Burdagul. Thank you so much. Happy Fiesta, Chares.
Yan, maraming salamat. At ayan po mga kababayang Marinduqueño, live pong kuha mula sa bayan ng Ojongan, probinsya ng Romblon, sa ginaganap po na Southern Tagalog Regional Association of State Universities and Colleges Olympics 2019. Ito po si JM, naghahatid po ng sariwang balita mula dito sa bayan ng Ojongan, probinsya ng Romblon. Again, magandang hapon po mga kababayang Marinduqueño. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
And now may we request our athletes from different SUCs to please rise for your panunumbat ng Manlalarong Baguhan, to be led by National Squad player for futsal, Ms. Charmaine Gabo. Once again, may we call on Ms. Charmaine Gabo from Romblon State University, National Squad Player for Futsal, to lead our athletes in panunumpa ng manlalarong baguhan.
Manyaring itaas po natin ang ating kanang kamay at sundin lamang po aking sasabihin. Kami ang mga manlalarong kumakatawan sa iba't ibang SUC na kalahok sa Strasok Olympics 2019 ay nanunumpa na makikipaglaro sa mga larong ito sa tunay na diwa ng sportsmanship.
Thank you so much, Ms. Charmaine Gabo, National Squad Player for Futsal from Romblon State University.
And also, Romblon State University is the reigning champion of futsal women category in last year's Strasbourg Olympics.
And we shall proceed to the symbolic lighting of Unity Flame. May we request our National President of PASUC, Dr. Tirso Ronquillo,
and the President of Romblon State University and Regional Chairman of Strasbourg 2019, for the symbolic lighting of the Unity Flame. President De Luna shall be the torch bearer,
and Dr. Tirso A. Ronquillo will be the one to light the fire.
and the fire and the flame is just lighted up.
And it will be handed down to our sports director from different state universities and colleges.
Yes, mabuhay Strasbourg 2019!
Siya na nag-adjust na sarili.
Let us all witness their ground demonstration.
Sa likod na.